What is to do around here anyway? Wonder I got some new comments from YouTube or something. Let me check. What the Hey guys, Cartoon Cat is back to do another Ask Cartoon Cat video. Why do you people want me to ask your questions? Alright, let's begin with the first question. What are you scared from? Well, I guess nothing besides day 17, day 18, breaking news, all the big characters. But most of them I'm not scared of. Especially that Bonesworth. He thinks he's just a bone, he's just a pile of bones, and he's just alive. Well, guess what? I come from a cartoon. Next question. What's your favorite food? Not human. Well, if you want to ask what my favorite food is, and not if it's not human, so I can't say it's human, so, well, I guess it has to be cat meat. But wait, Cartoon Cat, is that not, like, what's that word again? I forgot as well. Is that not a cannibal? I was just joking. Now go back to your weird life. Okay, fine. So actually, I really like just eating meat. Besides human, because that is just tasty. But yeah, I really like humans. But I guess if I don't want to eat humans, I guess McDonald's is good. And if you're wondering, would you get fat from that? I could shapeshift to make myself not fat. So, next question. Do you like using weapons? Well, back in the day, I used a small terror's knife, but then I upgraded to my own hands. And since then, I've been using them a lot more than guns and, I don't know, nukes if they count as weapons. I don't know. I guess hands are my weapons, but if you're talking about guns, knives, no, I don't use them. And the fourth question is, why you not let us to beat your brain goblin? Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. You have to answer that, Cartoon Cat. What does that even mean? I don't know. Just tell it. Fine. I don't know what that even means, that comment. I was even confused. Hey, this is my show. Get out. Fine, I'll get out. As for the question, I have no idea what you mean. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. You still have to answer that. Will you shut up? Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.